I read that King David was still going to war along with his army, even after he had gotten older. During one battle, David became very tired, and one of the Philistines was about to kill him. Just in the nick of time, a man named Abishai came to his aid and killed the Philistine. Now, I realize that soldiers quite often risk their lives to save their comrades. But as I read this, I wondered how many people would actually risk their lives to save me. And then I wondered how many people I'd risk my life for. And I realized that I think I'd risk my life to save just about anybody. As I was thinking about this, I realized that the character of the one who does the saving affects the outcome more than the character of the one who's being saved. And I want to be the type of person others can count on.